Your bedroom should be a place of rest, safety, and comfort. But what if I told you that some common items in your bedroom could actually be putting you at risk? A close friend of mine learned this the hard way. He had a nasty fall right in his own bedroom. It was a wake-up call for both of us. That's why today I'm sharing 5 things you need to remove immediately to make your bedroom a safer, healthier space. Welcome to Healthy Aging Advice. I'm John, and I share science-backed tips to help seniors live safer, healthier, and happier lives. If you want simple, practical ways to improve your well-being, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Today, we're talking about 5 things you should remove from your bedroom for better safety and health. And trust me, the last one is something almost everyone has, but it could be secretly harming you. So stick around, because this could make a huge difference in your daily life. Tip 1. Loose rugs and clutter on the floor. A friend of mine had a beautiful plush bedroom rug, one of those that felt soft underfoot, making the room feel cozy. But one night, as he was getting up to use the bathroom, he didn't notice the corner had folded up slightly. In just one step, his foot caught the edge, and before he knew it, he was stumbling forward. Luckily, he managed to grab onto a dresser just in time, but the fall could have been much worse. That moment made him realize something crucial. His bedroom wasn't as safe as he thought. Falls are one of the biggest dangers for seniors, leading to serious injuries like hip fractures and head trauma. And you know what? Most falls don't happen outside or in public. They happen right at home, in familiar spaces like the bedroom. Loose rugs, tangled cords, and cluttered floors create hidden trip hazards that can turn a simple walk across the room into a dangerous situation. So what can you do to prevent this? If you love your rug and don't want to get rid of it, use a non-slip pad underneath or secure it with double-sided tape. This helps keep it in place so there are no unexpected folds or curled edges that can trip you up. If the rug is worn out or constantly slipping, it might be time to remove it altogether. It's not worth the risk. And let's talk about clutter. Shoes, books, electrical cords, or even small decorative items left on the floor can become major hazards, especially at night when visibility is lower. Make it a habit to keep your walkways clear, especially the path from your bed to the bathroom. If you have extension cords running across the floor, secure them along the wall or use cord covers to prevent tripping. Now, let's be honest. How safe is your bedroom floor? Do you have any loose rugs or clutter that could be a hazard? Type yes or no in the comments. And if you've already made changes to make your bedroom safer, share your tips. I'd love to hear them. Tip 2. Heavy or hard-to-reach items. Picture this: you're standing on your toes, stretching your arm to grab something from the top shelf of your closet. Just as your fingers touch it, the item shifts, wobbles, and suddenly it slips. You try to catch it, but it's too late. Maybe it's just a box of blankets, maybe it's something heavier. But in that split second, you realize how dangerous it could have been. I've heard so many stories of people getting injured this way. A heavy box falling from above can lead to serious bruises or even fractures. And if you lose your balance while reaching for something, that's a fall waiting to happen. As we get older, our reaction time slows, and our balance isn't what it used to be. That's why even small movements like stretching too far or lifting something heavy can put us at risk. So, what's the fix? It's simple. Keep everyday essentials at waist level. The things you use regularly, like extra blankets, medication, or important documents, should be easy to grab without bending down too low or reaching too high. If you have to stretch or struggle to reach something, it's in the wrong place. For those items that absolutely must be stored higher up, use storage bins that are lightweight and easy to handle. And here's a golden rule: if something is too heavy, don't risk it. Ask for help. There's no shame in getting assistance when it comes to your safety. If you live alone, consider reorganizing your space so that everything is within a comfortable reach. Another simple but effective tip: use a grabber tool. These extendable reaches are lifesavers for picking up lightweight items without straining yourself. Just make sure you're not using them for anything too heavy. Now take a look around your bedroom. Is there something you struggle to reach? Maybe a suitcase on a high shelf or a heavy box tucked away in a closet? Let me know in the comments. Tip 3. Harsh or dim lighting. Lighting is something we don't think about much until it becomes a problem. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, tried to make your way to the bathroom, and nearly tripped over something you didn't see? That's exactly how so many accidents happen. Poor lighting is a hidden danger, especially in the bedroom. A dimly lit room makes it harder to see obstacles like furniture rugs or even slippers left on the floor. And let's not forget about harsh lighting. Staring into bright, glaring bulbs can strain your eyes and make it difficult to see clearly, especially when transitioning from darkness to light. As we age, our vision changes. Our eyes take longer to adjust between bright and dark environments, and glare can become more bothersome. That's why the right lighting setup is crucial, not just for comfort, but for safety too. The fix is simple. Switch to soft but bright LED lights. These provide enough illumination without being harsh on the eyes. Consider using warm white or daylight bulbs to create a comfortable, well-lit environment without unnecessary glare. And one of the most important changes you can make: nightlights. If you tend to wake up at night, place nightlights in key areas like beside your bed, along the hallway, and in the bathroom. Motion-activated nightlights are even better because they turn on automatically when you get up, giving you instant visibility without blinding you. Another great tip: use bedside lamps with easy-to-reach switches. If you ever need light in the middle of the night, you won't have to fumble around in the dark. Touch-activated lamps are a great option for seniors, making it effortless to turn the light on and off. Now let's talk about your bedroom. How bright is it at night? Do you use night lights or do you rely on the hallway or bathroom light? Tell me in the comments. Tip 4. Too many pillows and soft mattresses. You know, I used to think the softer the bed, the better the sleep. I loved sinking into a plush mattress surrounded by pillows. It felt like sleeping on a cloud. But then, morning after morning, I kept waking up with stiffness, back pain, and a sore neck. It took me a while to realize that my cozy bed was actually hurting me. As we age, our bodies need better support. A mattress that's too soft can cause our spine to sink out of alignment, leading to back pain, poor posture, and even disrupted sleep. And let's talk about pillows. Stacking too many can put your neck at an awkward angle, straining your muscles and making it harder to rest comfortably. A good night's sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's about protecting your body. The right mattress and pillow setup can improve spinal alignment, reduce aches, and even prevent long-term issues like chronic pain. First, let's talk about mattresses. A medium-firm mattress is often the best choice for seniors because it provides enough support to keep your spine aligned while still being comfortable. If your mattress is too soft, but you're not ready to replace it, consider adding a firm mattress topper to give you extra support. Next, let's address pillows. Ideally, you should only use 1 or 2 pillows, just enough to keep your head and neck in a neutral position. If your pillows are too thick or too flat, they can strain your neck and shoulders, leading to discomfort throughout the day. If you have back pain, try placing a small pillow under your knees if you sleep on your back, or between your knees if you sleep on your side, for better spinal alignment. And remember, pillows wear out over time. If yours are lumpy, flat, or more than a few years old, it might be time for an upgrade. Now, I want to hear from you. How many pillows do you sleep with? 1, 2, or more? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found the perfect mattress or pillow setup, share your secret. I'd love to know what works for you. Tip 5. Scented candles and artificial air fresheners. I've always loved walking into a fresh-smelling bedroom. There's something comforting about a soft lavender candle flickering at night, or the scent of fresh linen from an air freshener. It made my room feel cozy, relaxing, until I learned the truth. I had no idea how much these products were affecting my breathing. A friend of mine who had always been in great health started experiencing frequent coughing and congestion. She thought it was allergies until she stopped using air fresheners. Within weeks, her symptoms improved. That's when I started looking into it, and I was shocked. Many commercial candles and sprays contain volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which can trigger allergies, worsen asthma, and even impact long-term lung health. The last thing we need in our safe space, our bedroom, is something that could make us feel worse instead of better. Thankfully, there are simple, healthier alternatives. If you love a scented space, consider switching to essential oil diffusers. They provide natural fragrance without the harsh chemicals found in traditional air fresheners. Lavender, eucalyptus and citrus oils are great choices for a calming and refreshing atmosphere. Another easy solution? Open your windows regularly. Fresh air circulation helps remove indoor pollutants and keeps your bedroom smelling clean naturally. If allergies are a concern, try using an air purifier to filter out dust, pet dander and other irritants. And if you love candles, opt for natural alternatives like beeswax or soy candles with essential oil-based fragrances. They burn cleaner and don't release harmful toxins into the air. At the end of the day, small changes like these can make a big difference in how you feel, especially and sleeping better. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to keep your bedroom smelling fresh? Do you have any go-to natural scents or tricks? Share your tips in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas. Which of these 5 things are you removing from your bedroom first? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one and I love hearing your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to tap that like button. It helps more people discover this advice and keep their bedrooms safe and healthy. And make sure to subscribe, because up next, I'm revealing 5 things you must add to your bedroom to improve sleep and health. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.